hands?
I did.
Dude, I'm like 0 for 2, man. Almost broke his plane, almost broke his plane.
Did you see the gyro take over?
Dude, that was, yeah, I was wondering, that's why I asked you if you had one in it.
What do we got, Scotty?
It's a Jetwing.
Jetwing with what size motor?
It's an 80 millimeter.
Oh, goodness me.
We're going to find out. Here we go.
Yeah.
Clear prop.
Nice.
Have to be soft on the O, baby.
Oh, that thing flies good.
Dude, it does. Scott, that's rad, man.
That thing grew.
No doubt.
Yeah, no kidding.
Seems to be stable.
Yeah. You have gyro in there?
No.
No?
What are you at, Scott? About half throttle? Under half. I was getting it trimmed out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. There it is. Damn. Woo.
Dude.
You can see it too, which is nice. It's a nice size.
Yeah.
Saved it on his throw there. You see it like go and the gyro kicks in.
Woo! Good Lord.
Whoa. I think stable.
Damn, I lost it.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that white on white.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I think smooth.
Dude, it is really smooth. Holy crap.
Don't want to land. You're going to have to cut it. You got to cut it right there on downwind.
Well, the elevator's really soft, so I'm trying not to get too slow.
Yeah. There we go.
She dropped the tip.
Yeah, she dropped the tip.
I was trying not to get too slow, and I was reaching for the hole to reverse it. Oh well.
No, I'm not going to print you another.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, I will.
Hey, Chris. Yeah. Stop filming, homie. Huh? Oh, fuck you.
We need to add more structure right here. The weight of the battery caused it to buckle.
Did it?
Yeah, because it pivoted on the wheel. I did reinforce it there, but it wasn't enough, obviously.
Yeah, the next plane will be. We'll reinforce it a little better.
Yeah, because if the battery or the wheel was under the battery more,
Yeah.
then it probably wouldn't have cracked.
Yeah, I reinforced it in there with some carbon fiber.
Well, it was a good flight otherwise, you know.
That was 3